addiction, homelessness, sexual abuse. There's still a lot of misconceptions about what human trafficking is. Trafficking is something that is touched by lots of different systems. Also, there's a lot of risk factors that lead to that.
The North Star Task Force was developed to better coordinate the prosecution, the investigation, the care of survivors for human trafficking.
North Star is this umbrella, kind of this hovering, governing group of individuals that have decision-making ability within these organizations to coordinate and make sure that we're super impactful.
This type of a grant, it allows us to involve a lot of different partners, a lot of different trainings that are required to be able to teach both law enforcement and offer resources. A lot of these nonprofit agencies that are involved in this task force don't have the ability or the financial backing to be able to support this type of operation.
The members of the coalition are Flagstaff Police Department, the County Attorney's Office, Coconino Sheriff's Department, NAU PD, Northland Family Help Center, and Applejacks Ranch.
We're trying to address crimes of exploitation that are occurring across northern Arizona.
This effort is kind of a new energy to direct it from multiple standpoints. The survivor impact and taking their input to solve these problems, as well as the law enforcement prosecution end, but also then the education and the prevention end and how these all tie together.
This work really started here in the Flagstaff area back in 2017 with the founding of the Flagstaff Initiative Against Trafficking. Over the last several years though, we've been working more intensely and in collaboration with our community partners that are part of the North Star Task Force. And now, because of these relationships and the trust and the shared vision that we all have, we're able to move to the next level. And that's what we're doing here with the North Star Task Force to create that meaningful systems level change.
What comes to mind for me is a coming together of just a bunch of really thoughtful, caring organizations.
One of the things that we're most proud of is the way that our law enforcement and our county attorney's office and our victim service providers have been able to come together to actually do proactive law enforcement operations here in the community. And those operations have yielded significant arrests of individuals who were at a time prominent in this community.
There were felony arrests made as part of this. Most of these arrests were for prostitution-related offenses. And that happened just shortly after we founded this coalition. So it's kind of bittersweet. It's sad that this is happening in our community, but we're glad that we have the structure in place so that we can address these cases.
Back in the day, I would say that government, law enforcement, and prosecutors failed in some ways because we left out a huge piece. And that huge piece are those advocates and those service providers and those NGOs like Northland who do such a great job, and then support from others like Vitalists and those efforts.
Not only are we bringing people together within our county, but we're also supporting our neighboring counties in Navajo County, Apache County, Mojave County. Not to be corny, but like as that North Star, right? Like, hey, this is how we did it. We're rural, we're resource scarce. We are not one of these big major metropolitan cities, but we were able to do it, and this is how we did it, and we're here to support you all in doing it as well. That is truly what we want to do. It's about how can we offer this support to other jurisdictions who want to do the same thing and are interested in learning.
We really want to set people up to better their lives and be able to move forward and to have success in their futures.
The grant will help all these folks come together. It'll offer the training that's necessary to do these in a professional and manner that's going to be successful.